Here's how to resize a video in CapCut PC. First, open your project and select the video clip you want to resize. Then, go to the Video tab in the top right corner. Under the Video settings, find Scale. You can use the slider to zoom the video in or out. At 100%, the video fits the frame, while increasing or decreasing the value changes its size. You can also resize the video manually by dragging the corners of the preview. Drag inward to make the video smaller or outward to zoom in. To reposition it, simply drag the video to the area you want. If you want to change the width and height independently, turn off Uniform Scale. With this option disabled, you can adjust the width and height separately. This lets you stretch the video horizontally or vertically instead of maintaining its original aspect ratio. If you want to change the overall video dimensions, go to Ratio. Here, you can choose a different aspect ratio depending on where you're posting the video. For example, if you're creating content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, select 9:16 to switch from the standard horizontal format to a vertical layout. After selecting the ratio, adjust the video scale and position to fit the new frame. That's all for this video. Thanks.